everybody. How are you? It is Saturday. I don't even know what date it is. I could do the math. The 7th of July. And I can't believe it's already 1:12 in the afternoon. I just... Unbelievable. But I went to the Dollar Tree and I think it's a pretty huge haul considering Dollar Tree has not had very much stuff. So I'm gonna just get into it in no specific order. Okay. I love these. And I have the Glade sprayer, but I use the ones from the Dollar Tree because I don't want to spend $4 for a small can of spray. I do love the fresh linen scent. I'm gonna put everything off to the side. So I got 2 of that and 2 Hawaiians. Then, look what, I'm sure your Dollar Tree's had them, mine hasn't, but look at the little guacamole salsa bowls. We love homemade guacamole and salsa. So, there's 2 to a pack in this. And then I had to buy some diced tomatoes because I want to try this, possibly tonight. Alright, so that's 1 little bag down. Okay, like I said, no random water. John wasn't with me, but I know he likes this, so I grabbed it. Oh, and I did buy, he likes the Italian ices, the blue ones, so I grabbed 2 boxes of those, and then they had a root beer ice. But I already gave it to him to put in the freezer in the garage. Okay. I already had the blue one, but I found the pink one. Have you all seen these? Love them. Love anything Dove. Love it. Okay. Grab these for Tex, Chance, and Willow. Those are for the 3 puppers. Grab those. Then I needed packing tape for Happy Mail. Then I grabbed myself some eyeliners. Look at what they had. I just gave him 2 cookies. But now you have to give him 1. John wants to give Texas cookies, and I just gave him 2. Because when I come back through the door, he's like so happy to see me. But I grabbed those. RSVP. I grabbed these. I want to do, hi, how are you? Texas smells these. Come here, do you smell that? Should we torture him a little? What is that? Is that for you? Is that a cookie? Who's that for? Go ahead. You can taste it. Is that for you? Hi. You want to say hi to everybody? Come here. You got to see his hiney wagging his tail. You want this? Do you want this? I'll meet you downstairs, down at Linda's. Okay. So then, I was in the mood for buffalo flavor. I don't know why. But I figured I'd try these. Wanted to try them. Then I grabbed some Sweet and Low. I'm not kidding you when I tell you I was in this mode. Look at that. It comes with the crackers, so it's a little snack kit. If you tried this, let me know. Alright, I'm gonna do like Char does. Oh my god. I have to try one. Oh, the bag smells so good. Oh my god. You know what? These are staying in my office. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. You know who's gonna love those? Vinny. John won't like them. John doesn't like buffalo. But Vinny will like that. I've been wearing my hair up because it's summertime.
I have the bread.
Okay, so I grabbed those. And then look at how cute these are. All right, wait. So I grabbed another one. These are 2 different sizes. See? 1 inch and 1 1/4. So I grabbed those. But look at the little wristlets. They look like black leather. For concerts and things like that. Loving it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. Now on to, I have another bag on my lap. I don't know how I found these, but they were buried. Look at these. Is where our story begins. Family is where our story begins. Love makes the house a home. Oh my God. Friends, sit long, talk much, laugh often. I'm making these for my girlfriend and my BFF Rena, who is coming to town Wednesday. Okay, so these were a find. Love these. I'm gonna put John and I in this one. Okay, ready? Now on to my favorite bag. The back to school stuff is out. Okay, where do I begin? I'll begin with, for Quinn, my granddaughter, I grabbed these. I thought she'd like these. She's going into 1st grade. I don't know what her school supply list is, but what kid wouldn't love this? So these are for Quinn. Grab that for Quinny. Tierney's still in pre-K. She does, oh, and I grabbed that for Quinn. I thought she would love that. How cute. All right, now for me. Oh, I grabbed one of these. So I bought 3. Danica, Shannon, and myself. I put things away for Christmas already. Oh, and I did pick up 3 packs of socks. 2. I picked up 2 3-packs of socks. Say that 3 times fast. Gray, blue, and purple. And then just black tones. Aren't they adorable? I'm actually wearing a pair right now. Not these, but from the last haul. 3 pairs of socks for $1? Come on. Can't beat that. Can't beat that. Okay, so I picked up these new ones because I do like to organize with them. And I just grabbed, they match. This is just a folder and a binder. Grab that. And then look at how pretty that one is. And it's pink on the inside. And then there was a matching composition notebook. And then there was a pretty file folder. But I have to tell you, okay? I'm gonna move this stuff out of the way because these are my favorites. Look at how stinking cute. But it reminded me of the paper I hauled the other day. Look at how cute this matches. I can add to this. So, actually look at the colors are matching. I'm gonna have to do something with this and this. These are gonna stick together because they complement one another. Now, last but not least, look at what I found. And I bought 3 packages. Ta-da! At the Dollar Tree. There's 2 folders in each. This is one, this is the other. Tell me that's not stinking cute. At the Dollar Tree. This is my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I hope I made you smile. I feel like her right now. I want to go like that. I want to sit just like that. All right, everybody. Please hit that thumbs up, subscribe, leave me a comment. How stinking cute is this? All right, everybody. Thanks for watching, and I will see you real soon.